Hello guys! Hi! Welcome back to my channel. I am Nash, and if you're new here, please subscribe on my channel and also tap the bell on so that you'll get notified every time I post. And also, follow me on all my socials. It's at Queen Nash Rapi. Thank you! So,
Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey.
hello guys! I am back again with another DIY video. Actually, it's not DIY. Thrift flip. Or, kasi ayoko gaya yung thrift flip. Ang daming thrift flip sa YouTube. Pero kasi, hindi masisearch yung, yung video ko pag di ko gamit yung thrift flip. Pero actually, ang tawag ko talaga sa ginagawa ko to is edit. Nag-edit ako clothes. Ganon. So, grabe kasi, alam nyo naman, from the last DIY I did, addiction ko sa scrolling Zaffle syndrome. Scrolling Zaffle syndrome. Ganon ang aking sakit. So, I'm always on Zaffle. Pwede rin SSS. Scrolling Shopee syndrome. Lagi ko lang doon. So, parang, oh my god, I wanna buy everything. Pero not worth it. Kasi, gusto ko ulit bumili ng makeup. Ayun, yun lang palagi ang reason. So, anyway, grabe, kasi ito yung easiest na mahahanap mo sa ukay. Sobrang rare finds lang sa ukay yung mga talagang astig sweaters and some sundresses. Sobrang rare find doon. And kailangan sobrang sipag mo mag-ukay. Pero pag umabot na ang ukay sa prices na 5 for 100, nakagaya ng pinagbibili kong ukay dahil hindi mo ako mapapabili ng ukay pag naging 35 pesos na siya. I'm telling you. Kailangan 4 for 100 and 5 for 100 lang. Even sa shoes, promise. Anyway, ito ang pinakamadaling mahanap sa ukay. So, what you need here is pure talent, dedication, and maayos na makina. So, sobrang uso ngayon ng two-piece sets. Like, parang, hindi na ngayon click yung high-waist pants and turtleneck na parang uso nung college pa ako. Ang uso na ngayon is yung gingham. Have you ever heard of the Reformation? Yung site na nagsasell ng super mahal na dresses na ang ganda na mukha kang Song Hye Kyo. Tama ba ako? I'm not a Korean fan. Basta yung Song, mukha kang ganun, di ba? Yung mga dress na parang ang cute-cute na parang unang panahon stylish, gano'n. So, yun na yung uso ngayon. And, what is good there is you can find some amazing pieces in the ukay. Not exactly like that, but I told you can edit those pieces. So, watch me, guys. I got a men's dress shirt. Ang dami ganun sa ukay. Ngayon, you don't need to waste your money na bumili nung at a new arrival price, so 250. So, antayin mo siya mag 5 for 100 kasi what's good about it is yung 5 for 100 na yun, you could find several pieces na pare-pareho sila ng tela. Diba? And yun yung pwede yung pagdugtong-dugtingin. Well, in my case, ang kinukuha ko ay big ukay piece. So, I got this big red gingham print. Ano ba yan? Nakabulot. Basta yung telang mantel, yung mukhang tela na mantel na red na checkered. Ayan. Yung kinuha ko sa ukay. And I know na I can do a lot doon sa ganon. So, ang naisip ko is to make a two-piece set dahil yung palagi nakikita ko. So, at least parang hindi mahirap ternahan. Like, ito lang, tube, and then the skirt, and wait. Maong na jacket, we are good to go. God, nilalamig ako. So, please, magja-jacket ako. Alam eh. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. Advice ko lang sa inyo is get bigger pieces. Kasi, alam niyo naman yung style na oversized na ginaganyan-ganyan-ganyan pa ni Kylie Jenner, which is sobrang pretty. You could do that also if you don't know how to make tahe. Pero if you know how to make tahe, get the big na polo. Kasi yung big na polo, you can do a lot with it. Even like yung pang-ipit, yung scrunchies, which will take you a very long way. Diba? At pag-practice na rin yun ng pagtatahe. So, ang dali lang nitong aking DIY na to. Actually, you can do this without sewing machine, pero for my benefit and not to waste time, yun, nag-sewing machine pa ako. Kasi I also wanted to put some garters. Yung gusto kong gawin in the garter is to make tahe doon talaga sa tela. Hindi siya yung i-insert ng ganun-ganun. Alam niyo naman yun. Alam niyo yun. Pag nagtatay kayong panty nyo na wasak na, yung ginaganon-ganon. Basta, yun. So, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng effect nung, ayan, yung scrunching effect, which is nagagawa ng garter na nga nito sa likod. So, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial video. Bye!
So, in this DIY DIY, what you need is a men's dress shirt. And ang ginawa ko na is tinastas ko na yung sleeves, pero hindi ka titatapon because you're going to use that also later. So ngayon mag-work ka muna doon sa centerpiece, yung may buttons, dahil doon ka gagawa ng skirt and a part of the tube. So now I wanna measure how long my skirt will be, kaya I put a line, and after ng line na yun ay gugupitin ko siya. And also I need to save pa yung top part na yun because I have to do yung tube part doon and also yung waistband because I don't want the skirt to look like na parang ginupit lang talaga siya. So after cutting it, I need to measure you have to measure a waistband. So ayan na, once it's separated, dun sa taas na part na yun na nagupit, pwede mong gamitin yung part na yun for the waistband. So para naman sa waistband, gumapit ng makapal and sew it together, i-fold lang para makapal siya kasi dapat mas makapal yung waistband dun sa puffy palda itself para magmukha talaga siyang ma-hold yung waist mo. So sew it together, and pagkatapos baliktarin yung tela para yung frayed side ng pag-sew ay nakatago inside. Then pagkatapos pagpatungin the right sides together para pag tinahi, ang lalabas ay yung right side pa rin. So, attach a garter dun. So, okay lang kahit medyo malaki yung waistband and medyo malaki yung palda kasi we will make the scrunch effect using the garter. So, make sure you pin the garter dun sa tamang sides para the stretch is evenly distributed. Hindi weird yung itsura ng skirt. So, once the skirt is done, you can now plan for the top. Now, the skirt is done. Ayan. Meron ng scrunch effect and also distributed ng ayos ang kanyang stretch. Now for the top, kunin yung remaining piece and cut a rectangle, dalawang rectangle, magkapatong na lang dun sa front and back piece nung natirang side. So pagkatas nun, yung sleeves naman, that's where you make yung ribbon part or yung tinatali na part ng tube. It's either your front or back side, kahit ano yun, basta save the sleeves. Now once nagkuha ko na yung isang big rectangle gamit dun sa nagupit kong top side, tatanggalin ko yung buttons kasi hindi ko gusto yung effect na yun. Pero if you want yung effect na may buttons, pwede pa rin naman, pero mas mahirap ka ng tayaan ng garter. Once nagupit ko na yung buttons, i-attach ko ulit together, tatayin ko with a straight stitch yung rectangular block na yun para tugma pa rin siya doon sa side, doon sa likod. So now i-attach siya doon sa sleeve part na ginupit. Make sure na tama yung length nila together kasi pag in-attach, ang awkward naman na hindi magkapantay. So measure it and cut it also maliit lang because you have to save pa para ma-ribbon mo pa siya in the front at hindi masyadong patipis. Now once you attach yung dalawang rectangular block dun sa sides, what you have to do is to sew it together. And ngayon naman, I'm planning to put a garter. It's very optional kasi if wala kang mahabang garter like mine, ito, ang dami kong garter, it's very optional naman for you if you want. Kasi ako, naglagay lang ako ng garter to hold yung boob part ko kasi medyo malaki. Pero pag hindi, ano naman, normal naman yung size, okay naman sa inyo yun, like magtagal ng garter. Kasi medyo matagal akong ginawa yung garter. Tingnan mo, may measure ko pa kung gaano kalaking garter yung ilalagay ko. And tinignan ko kung ilang pieces ng garter ang gusto kong ilagay. So, napag-isipan ko 6 pieces ng garter, same length. So, same distribution din siya. But, nung tinahi ko siya, 3 lang nga na ilagay ko. 2 sa taas, 1 sa baba. Choice ko yun din naman yun kung yun ang ilagay. Dahil itatali yun din naman. Kasi ako, I want to use that as the front piece. And the back piece na yung pagtali. Pero, in any way, pwede naman siya suotin. Now, tapos na. Very easy DIY pwedeng hang sewn.
Hello? Kita ba ako? Hello guys. So this is the final product. So from a men's polo shirt, ito na siya. Actually, pwede mo siya i-wear other side. Itong ginartaran or yung, alam nyo na, yung tali-tali sa likod. Pero the thing is kasi, you know naman na this thing is very, very showy. So, that's why I don't like na yung harapan na nakagano. Actually, grabe, sobrang frustration ko yun. Sobrang uso kaya doon. Hindi ko na makaso. Anyway, it's fine. Ang cute-cute niya. Grabe, na-achieve ko ang Zaffle DIY. So, anyway, this this is my video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from it. Bye!